PM or to across the southernmost county. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Dallas County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying and poor drainage areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. While roughly 1 inch of rain has fallen across Dallas County, several water rescues have been reported. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowood, DeSoto, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Woolley, Coppell, Duncanville, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, Bulk Springs, University Park, Saxe and Seagoville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.